Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to talk about box and whisker plot, which you see here, and you have to choose which of the following statements false about the box plot shown below. The graph shows the weights of small dogs recently brought into the vet clinic. Let's start with statement D. 25% of the dogs weighted over 14.5 pounds. Take a look. We have quartile 1 here, quartile 2 here, and quartile 3 here, which separates all the data into 4 quartiles. This is going to be quartile 1, this is quartile 2, 3, and 4. And each of them would represent 25% of the data. So we can find in each quartile here 25%, and that means that in the box here we are going to find 50% of all available data. So box represent 50% of our data set. We also call this interquartile range. So the statement that 25% of the dogs weighted over 14.5 pounds is correct statement. Next statement C. The range of the weight of the dogs was 21 pounds. Take a look. The minimum, this dot here, represent minimum, so it represent 2 pounds. And this dot here, which represent maximum, as you see, equals to 23 pounds. So 23 minus 2 pounds, and we are going to get 21 pounds. So statement C is correct statement, because here we see 21 pounds, which is going to be range of this data set. And we have to choose between two statements. The smallest dog was 2 pounds. And this is also true statement. And what about the average weight of the dog was about 11.5 pounds. So this quartile here stand for the, as you see, 11.5, but not average. This is going to be median. So that's why this statement is false, and we have to find false statements. So 11.5 is going to be median, not average. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.